Look around your living room for a moment. What do you notice first? It's not always the sofa, or the rug, or even the coffee table. Very often, it's the walls. They cover the largest area, they set the backdrop for everything else, and they silently shape the style and mood of your space. Now here's the truth. A plain, empty wall can make even the most expensive furniture look dull. But a thoughtfully decorated wall? That's what transforms a living room from ordinary to extraordinary. And in 2025, wall decor has reached a whole new level. From oversized artwork and digital displays, to textured panels, sleek shelving, bold lighting, and nature-inspired designs, modern wall decoration is all about mixing creativity with personality. Whether you prefer something minimalist and budget-friendly, or bold and luxurious, there's a style for everyone. In this video, we're diving into the top 100 modern wall decor ideas that will define living room design in 2025. You'll discover trending colors, textures, DIY-friendly hacks, and high-end luxury statements that can instantly elevate your space. So, if you've ever looked at your walls and thought, they need something more, this video is exactly what you've been waiting for. Let's explore how to turn plain walls into stunning style statements. 1. Core principles of modern wall decor. Before we jump into specific ideas, let's talk about the guiding principles of modern wall decor. The first principle is balance. Your walls should complement your living room, not overwhelm it. Too much decoration can make the room feel cluttered, while too little leaves it feeling empty. The trick is to find that sweet spot where the wall enhances the space. The second principle is statement over clutter. Modern design loves bold choices, like one oversized painting, a textured panel, or a striking mirror, rather than lots of tiny items scattered everywhere. The third principle is mixing textures. Smooth walls combined with wooden accents, metallic finishes, or fabric panels create visual interest. When textures play together, the room feels layered and sophisticated. And finally, personality. Your wall decor should reflect who you are. Whether that's through art, family photos, or unique shelves, modern design isn't just about trends, it's about telling your story through your walls. 2. Trending color themes for 2025. Color plays a massive role in wall decoration, and in 2025 we're seeing some exciting palettes. First, earthy neutrals are everywhere. Shades like beige, taupe, and olive create a calm and timeless base. They pair beautifully with natural materials like wood and stone. Second, deep jewel tones are making a comeback. Emerald green, sapphire blue, and burgundy bring richness and luxury. A jewel-toned wall paired with gold decor instantly elevates the space. Third, the classic black and white contrast is still strong. A black accent wall with white furniture feels bold and dramatic, while a crisp white wall with black frames gives a minimalist edge. And of course, metallics are trending. Gold, brass, and copper accents on wall decor, mirrors, or lighting fixtures add just the right touch of glamour. The best part? These color trends can be mixed. Imagine a neutral beige wall with jewel-toned artwork and metallic lighting. That's modern perfection in 2025. 3. Modern wall art ideas. Now let's dive into wall art, one of the simplest yet most impactful ways to decorate. Oversized canvas paintings are leading the trend. One large piece instantly becomes the centerpiece of your living room. Abstract designs and bold colors are especially popular this year. For those who like order, geometric art is a hit. Clean lines, sharp angles, and modern patterns give your walls structure and energy. Another favorite is the gallery wall. A collection of family photos, themed prints, or black and white portraits can fill a wall with personality. To keep it modern, use uniform frames or stick to a consistent color palette. And let's not forget digital art frames, a futuristic trend for 2025. These allow you to rotate artworks or even display motion graphics on your wall. It's like having an ever-changing art gallery at home. Art makes walls feel alive, and in modern living rooms, it's often the first layer of personality you'll notice. 4. Creative wall paneling and textures. Beyond art, texture is another way to make your walls pop. PVC and 3D wall panels are at the top of the trend list. They add depth, create patterns, and can even be paired with LED lighting for a futuristic look. Wooden slats are another big trend in 2025. They bring warmth, texture, and a touch of nature indoors. Vertical wooden panels also make ceilings look taller, which is perfect for smaller spaces. For a bolder statement, consider stone or faux stone finishes. A stone accent wall feels luxurious and timeless, especially behind a TV or fireplace. And if you want coziness, fabric panels are a modern twist. Soft upholstered walls or panels with neutral fabrics create a lounge-like feel that's both stylish and comfortable. Textures make walls tactile, not just visual, and they add a richness that plain paint simply can't achieve. 5. Shelving and storage with style. Wall decor doesn't always have to be decorative, it can be functional too. That's where shelving comes in. Floating shelves are sleek and modern, perfect for displaying books, vases, or small plants without taking up floor space. For larger rooms, built-in bookshelves or display walls are trending. These act as both storage and design, turning your wall into a feature piece. Minimalist open shelving units are also popular. Instead of filling them with clutter, place a few carefully chosen objects, like a sculpture, candle, or photo frame, for that curated look. A new trend in 2025 is mixing storage with art. For example, shelves designed in geometric shapes or arranged in asymmetrical patterns that double as wall decor themselves. Shelving proves that walls can be beautiful and practical at the same time, perfect for modern homes. 6. Innovative lighting as wall decor. Lighting isn't just for ceilings and lamps anymore. In 2025, walls themselves are glowing with style. LED strip lights are being used creatively around panels, artwork, and even shelving. They highlight textures and add a futuristic vibe. Wall sconces are another favorite. From minimalist black metal to glamorous gold designs, sconces bring both function and elegance. Then there's neon and backlit art, perfect for people who love bold, playful statements. Imagine a soft glow around a mirror or a neon sign that matches your personality. And for a luxurious touch, integrated lighting in 3D wall panels makes your walls feel alive, changing colors or highlighting design patterns with just a click. Lighting is no longer just about visibility, it's about creating mood and turning walls into living features of your room. 7. Statement mirrors and reflections. Mirrors are one of the most powerful tools in wall decor because they don't just decorate, they transform the room. Large floor-to-ceiling mirrors instantly make a living room feel bigger and brighter. Perfect for smaller spaces. Geometric and irregular-shaped mirrors are trending in 2025. Instead of traditional rectangles, we're seeing circles, hexagons, and even wavy, free-form shapes that look like art. Framed mirrors with metallic finishes, like brass or matte black, add a modern edge, while frameless designs keep things minimalist. And for a truly bold move, try a mirror wall panel. A section of mirrored tiles reflects light beautifully and creates an almost luxurious hotel-like vibe. With the right placement, mirrors do double duty. They decorate your wall and expand your living room visually. 8. Nature-inspired wall decor. In 2025, nature is making its way into wall decoration in fresh and exciting ways. Indoor green walls or vertical gardens are becoming popular for eco-friendly homes. Even a small patch of greenery can bring calmness and freshness indoors. Botanical prints and artwork are another easy way to bring nature inside without the maintenance. Think watercolor leaves, floral patterns, or black and white nature photography. For something more subtle, try wooden accents, like reclaimed wood panels, driftwood sculptures, or rattan wall decor. They add warmth and a natural texture. And don't forget planter shelves. These combine storage with greenery by allowing small indoor plants to sit beautifully on your wall. Nature-inspired decor connects your living room to the outdoors, making it a calming and refreshing retreat. 9. DIY and budget-friendly wall decor ideas. Not every wall makeover has to cost a fortune. Some of the most creative ideas are budget-friendly. DIY photo walls are a great start. You can print your favorite pictures, add affordable frames, and instantly make the wall personal and unique. Peel and stick wallpaper is another lifesaver. In 2025, There are endless designs, marble textures, geometric patterns, even mural-style prints that can be applied and removed easily. For a creative twist, try washi tape wall art or simple painted accent shapes. Circles, stripes, or half-painted walls can make a big statement with minimal effort. Even hanging everyday objects, like woven baskets, hats, or fabric, can look stunning if arranged thoughtfully. DIY projects prove that beautiful walls don't always require a big budget, just creativity and a personal touch. 10. Luxury and high-end wall decor statements. Finally, let's look at the luxurious side of wall decoration. Marble and onyx wall panels are the ultimate luxury statement. Sleek, polished, and dramatic, they turn any living room into a high-end space. Metallic accent walls are trending in 2025. Gold, brass, and bronze finishes bring glamour and sophistication. Another luxury option is custom wall murals, often hand-painted or digitally printed. These one-of-a-kind designs transform your wall into a masterpiece. And of course, integrated smart displays, like TV walls with hidden storage, built-in lighting, and seamless finishes, are the ultimate modern luxury. These high-end ideas are perfect for those who want their walls to be the highlight of their home, making a bold statement of style and elegance. And there you have it, 100 modern wall decor ideas to transform your living room in 2025. From budget-friendly DIY hacks and natural textures to bold statement mirrors and high-end luxury panels, there's truly something for every style and every budget. Remember, walls aren't just backgrounds, they're opportunities. Every design choice you make, whether it's color, texture, or lighting, adds personality and sets the mood for your entire home. So take a moment, look around your living room, and ask yourself, what story do I want my walls to tell? If you found inspiration in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest interior design tips and trends. And now we'd love to hear from you. Which wall decor idea was your favorite? Was it the sleek modern panels, the creative DIY touches, or the luxurious marble finishes? Drop your answer in the comments. We always enjoy hearing your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep designing spaces that reflect your personality and bring joy into your everyday life.